Hi, hello students. Welcome to Chemsmart. I am PRASANNA, and the purpose of this session conducted by me here is to help CBSE class 11 and 12 students to excel in chemistry. The motto of Chemsmart is excellence in chemistry. I'm pretty sure that these sessions will help you to score 90 plus in class 11 and class 12 chemistry. So start with, I'll be going to class 12 CBSE PYQ revision. That is, we are going to do a rapid revision of latest board questions, which will help you in acing class 12 examination. Class 12 chemistry examination. Okay, so we are going to start with solutions chapter from class 12 syllabus, and here in this platform you will be getting all the chapters, PYQs, and important areas will be discussed. So many more sessions to come up. So watch them without fail. It will definitely help you to ace your exams in chemistry. Okay, so let us start with PYQs from chapter solutions. Today I have come with a few questions which were asked in 2023 board examination CBSE. Let us start them one by one. Question number 1 is, a compound undergoes complete dimerization in a given organic solvent, and Van Hoff factor I here is what? You have to select one from these 4 options given. So let us see how to do this question. What do you mean by dimerization? Di means 2. Dimer means 2 units. So in dimerization, 2 units become 1. That is, solute particles, they will undergo association in such a way that 2 solute particles will combine to form 1. Okay, so the Van Hoff factor formula for association is, that is, if it undergoes complete association, is I is equal to 1 by n, where this n is how many particles undergo association. This is applicable only for complete association. So dimerization means it will become 1 by 2. Because 2 units are becoming 1, dimerization. So it becomes 1 by 2, whose value is 0.5. Therefore, your answer for this question is 0.5. 1 mark, done. So I hope this question's solution is clear to you, how you arrive at the answer, and hope you will get this 1 mark if it is repeated in your paper. Okay? So, let's go to the next question. The next question is one assertion reason question. You know, in assertion reason, you will be given one assertion statement, one reason statement. You have to check whether they are true or false, whether they agree with each other, etc. The assertion here is, when glucose is added to water, an elevation in boiling point is observed. Reason, the lowering of vapor pressure causes elevation in boiling point. You know, glucose is a non-volatile solute. So if you put it into water, what will happen? Vapor pressure will get lowered. You know the reason? When you add a non-volatile solute into a solvent, then certain fraction of the solvent surface will be occupied by the solute particles. Therefore, the fraction of solvent molecules escaping into vapor phase will become less and vapor pressure will become less. So, when a non-volatile solute is added to a solvent, then vapor pressure will get lowered. And you have studied in 11th standard that vapor pressure is inversely proportional to boiling point. So what is happening here? When vapor pressure is getting lowered, boiling point will get elevated. So check the statements given to you. When glucose is added to water, an elevation in boiling point is observed. Because vapor pressure is getting lowered, boiling point is getting elevated. So assertion is true, reason is also true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Therefore, your answer here will be option A. And this is a common question in board papers, not only in 2023. Now let's go to the next question. Next question is a descriptive one for 2 marks. And it is also a very important question for the board exam. What type of deviation from Raoult's law is shown by a mixture of ethanol and acetone? Give reason. You know, if you take pure ethanol, there are hydrogen bonds between ethanol molecules. Means pure ethanol is hydrogen bonded. When you add acetone into it, what is happening? Acetone molecules will get in between these ethanol molecules and weaken those forces. So escaping tendency of these molecules will increase. When more molecules escape into vapor phase, what will happen? Vapor pressure will increase. When vapor pressure increases, what will happen? It will be positive deviation from Raoult's law than expected from Raoult's law. So, if you have ethanol and acetone mixture, because it is leading to increase in vapor pressure, it comes under positive deviation. So, I have given you the reason and it is clearly explained in your NCERT textbook in one particular paragraph in the area of deviation. So please prepare that area well. 2 marks done. Okay? Next question is also a descriptive question for 2 marks from 2023 board paper. And the question is about azeotropes. Question goes like this. Define azeotrope. What type of azeotrope is formed by negative deviation from Raoult's law? Give an example. What are azeotropes? Azeotropes are binary mixtures, means containing 2 components, which have the same composition in liquid phase and vapor phase. They boil at a constant temperature at a particular composition. And they cannot be separated by fractional distillation. Such a binary mixture is called an azeotrope. There are 2 types of azeotropes, minimum boiling and maximum boiling. What is the meaning of minimum boiling? Minimum boiling means boiling point is low. Boiling point is low means vapor pressure is higher. They are inversely proportional. So, vapor pressure is higher means they will be showing large positive deviation from Raoult's law. Example, ethanol plus water at 95% composition. It forms a minimum boiling azeotrope because it shows positive deviation. And in the case of minimum boiling azeotrope, both the components, say ethanol, it has boiling point 78.4 degrees centigrade, pure ethanol. Pure water has 100 degrees centigrade. So, once the azeotrope is made, then that will boil at 78.2 degrees centigrade. That means it is lower than either of the 2 liquids. That is how we study the boiling point of a minimum boiling azeotrope. It will be lower than either of the two components boiling point. Now coming to maximum boiling azeotrope. Maximum boiling means boiling point is higher. When boiling point is higher, then vapor pressure will be lower. Means they will be showing large negative deviation from Raoult's law. That's the situation asked in this question. What type of azeotrope is formed by negative deviation from Raoult's law? Negative deviation means vapor pressure is less. So boiling point will be high. That means it will be forming maximum boiling azeotrope. Maximum boiling azeotrope, one more indication. For maximum boiling azeotropes, the azeotrope will boil at a temperature higher, maximum boiling higher than either of the two components. We can take an example. One example is asked here. So let us take an example. This mixture, 68% nitric acid and 32% water. This is a maximum boiling azeotrope at this composition. Let's see in terms of boiling point. Nitric acid pure boiling point is 85.85 degrees centigrade. It's approximately 86 degrees centigrade. Pure water is 100 degrees centigrade. But this azeotrope will boil at 120.35 degrees centigrade. You can compare the values. The azeotrope is boiling at a higher temperature than the boiling point of either of the two liquids. So it is an example for maximum boiling azeotrope. I hope this concept is also clear to you, and be sure to prepare these deviation questions, that is connected to azeotrope. It is commonly asked in recent board papers, that is minimum boiling azeotrope, maximum boiling azeotrope, connected deviations. Make sure to prepare them. Okay? So I hope you are ready with all these questions what we have discussed today, and you can ace the paper if you are ready with this. Okay? They will get repeated. Okay.